Hello. I'm out of the cupboard, as you can see. This wasn't here before. This is a little different. Basically, my laptop was really not doing too good. I've had it for a few years. It's lasted me really well. It just basically got me through the last bit of uni that I needed it to, and I went, well, I either need a new laptop or I need to get a computer. Ethan has built his own computer here. He's got a little 2-monitor gamer setup. I don't really need 2 monitors at the moment, so I settled for just one. But Ethan told me he would help me build it all if I did a lot of research before. So I did a load of research. I looked into what kind of computer I wanted for what I want to do. I did a load of research. I wanted to have a good graphics card and processor and everything, so that if I did want to potentially play a few more demanding games than The Sims in the future, that I could. So after that, Ethan helped me go through everything and find all of the parts that I needed, and I will link those all down below. Not that anyone's particularly interested, but I'll put everything that I bought and have used to build this beautiful piece of machinery here. Altogether, I think my computers come to between 700 to like 800 pounds. Obviously, you can build a cheaper one, but for what I wanted to do, I wanted to buy things which would do the job. Ethan helped me build it, he helped me put it all together. I mean, he basically built it for me. I did want to help, but I was getting really frustrated because I'm not very good at technological things. But I did download the software and the drivers and things when the computer was fully set up, and it works really good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with it. It's cute. I've got a nice little setup. I'm hoping to upload a bit more stuff soon. I've kind of been chilling out with making videos at the moment, partly because I was making this, but also I have some ideas lined up. Thanks for watching.